You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that confuses a lot of people. Yes, I know the spelling doesn't make it necessarily very clear. The most common pronunciation in English, however, is as Kaylie. Kaylie. Some may pronounce it also as Kaylie. Kaylie. How do you pronounce it yourself? I think the most common pronunciation, but let me know in the comments which one is the most common. Kaylie or Kaylie? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.